Now moving on to the local front, well, I suppose we are still talking about a global company, and that is Aspen, which supplies branded and generic pharmaceuticals. Stay with me, thanks so much, in more than 150 countries across the world.
Yeah, Stephen Saad, of course, is the CEO, very popular and very talented operator. And as you say, a real global player.
Market
the South
cap,
African business is small.
140.5 billion rand, PE here of 34.7 and a dividend yield of 0.8%. Before we go further, let's put this share price graph up because I think that's going to colour our conversation.
Been a bit wobbly in recent times. Obviously, it would be nice if it was trading above 400 Rand a share. It came all the way down, it's gone back up again, then it went down again, and it's been earnings related, concerns, and then this slightly negative global backdrop for pharma stocks.
Where to from here? Given that this one is one of the blue chips in the South African investment space, and certainly a number of fund managers hold this in their portfolios.
Yeah, I mean, the company really had the perfect storm against it last year. You had the overhang from GlaxoSmithKline divesting from the company, together with some operational issues in South Africa.
On their home front.
Absolutely. A weak rand making their active ingredient incredibly expensive to import. You had the rapid devaluation of the Venezuelan currency that basically resulted in them having to almost completely write off that business, along with other challenges there. They were busy integrating some of their new European acquisitions. The synergies hadn't been realized. People were upset about the returns. But what
in other words, they actually held up very well, given the perfect storm that they've just had to navigate.
Yes, but what that does is it creates a buying opportunity for long-term investors, and even a way to average down maybe your entry point if you got into it a little bit too soon. This is a quality company. It's massive. The management team is really, really good. Yeah, as you said, blue chip stock, and it was on sale for most of last year.
So if you don't pick it up, you are a loser in this space.
I would say so. And what they've done is they've worked to become a major player in a couple of select areas. So they're not trying to take on the big titans. They are focusing on monoembolics and stuff, which is for clearing deep vein thrombosis and other blockages in your arteries. They're also having a go at the anesthetic area. And we know, of course, they've always been big in infant formula. So they're sort of streamlining things and getting a little bit better, and they're buying manufacturing facilities and doing global distribution. So
watch this space, in other words, and utilize any further downside to pick it up. Would that be a fair assessment?
Yeah, it's been edging higher. It's at about 310 or 314 or something rands a share, and
it has been above 400.
Yeah,
so
historically it has.
Yeah, hot.
You're hot, very hot. Hot or not, Paul?
Excellent. We own this one. In fact, we have taken a little bit of pain, but we're starting to see some of that come out. So we've been,
Happy days.
gaining on our entry price, if you can put it that way.